Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering and Economy. I'm Dr. Nathan. Today we are going to discuss about the return on investment. This is called ROI. So this is a lesson 6 on the series of investment planning for renewable power generation. In this series today we are going to discuss about return on investment. So this return on investment is a simple financial indicator. We don't need to complicate about anything. It's a simple financial indicator. So ROI is a crucial financial measure to evaluate an investment profitability. In the case of commercial solar, ROI play a crucial role in determining the very viability of investing in solar system. So whether you're going to invest in the solar system or not, it's just simply you can ask a company what is my ROI, what is my return. In simple word, in financial people or banking or any other sector, when they talk about return, meaning it's a return on investment. Whether it's a 20 percentage or 30 percentage, what is my return? Simple. Positive ROI highlights the investment's profitability. The negative ROI implies that the investment is not generating enough return to cover the initial cost. ROI is an important measure businesses use to decide if investing in solar energy is a financially smart choice for their company. So usually companies simply use ROI to check whether we can invest on solar panels or solar projects or not. Okay. So what is the equation here? ROI mean net income minus investment divided by investment cost into 100. So please take note that in ROI we don't consider the future value or present value anything. We are not talking about money value depreciation. We are not taking into account of the money value depreciation. We are simply saying that what is a return mean without considering the depreciation, money value depreciation. We just simply find ROI. So this is a very simple indicator. So return on investment, for example, suppose a business invests $10,000 in a project. After 3 years, this business yield $5,000 in profit. The ROI on the project after 3 years would be the 5,000, 10,000 minus 5,000 become 5,000, 5,000 investment minus revenue. So divide by 10,000, it become 50 percentage. Sorry, revenue minus investment divide by investment, so it become 50 percentage. So ROI is 50 percentage for this project. ROI is 50%. It's simple. So ROI often used in the context of stock market investments and is perhaps either easier to understand the context. For example, suppose you buy one share of stock for $100. After 1 year, its value has increased to $125. Now ROI become 25 divided by 100 is 25 percentage. So 25 percentage is your ROI. If the value dropped to $75, then ROI would be minus 25 percentage. So it's very simple. From this example, you can understand ROI we are mainly using for small project with the less duration like 3 years, 2 years. So ROI is a easy and indicator because for stable country like Australia, America, Canada, the currency depreciation is less, like 1 to 2 percentage. In that case, even if you don't consider them the present value of money, that's still okay because the currency depreciation is, if the currency depreciation is only 0.5 percentage, we are not considering that, it's okay. Even if it is 1 percentage, we are not considering the currency depreciation in our profit calculation, that's fine. So ROI is a indicator which doesn't consider the depreciation of money value. So it's a very simple indicator. Directly straightforward, we are finding the the ROI. But it's very simple. Like you can mentally calculate. What is the beauty of ROI compared to NPV technique or IRR technique previously we studied? It is very simple. For example, this question: if you spend $20,000 on your solar panel system and it saves you $30,000 in energy bills over 25 years, so like $1,200 per year. So ROI would be 50 percentage because it's going to give you 10,000 of profit for 20,000 of investment. So 10,000 profit for 20,000 investment. So ROI will be 50%. So we can mentally calculate. We don't need a huge calculation or any formulas or anything. We simply calculate. We put $20,000 and what is the profit is 10,000. So profit will be revenue minus investment is your profit, that is 10,000. So simply we can calculate ROI is 50%. So return in investment example, it's a good indicator to compare two investment which has same duration. If let's say you have two projects, both are having 3 years duration, project A and project B. The question is, are you going to invest on project A, project B? So you're going to choose either one project. So our question is, are you going to choose A or B? In this kind of scenario, ROI is easy, better indicator because both project, even the if you think about the money depreciation, money value depreciation, both project going to have a same, the money value will be same, depreciate going to be in the same country. So both projects will be in the same country. So money value depreciation will be same for both projects. So if we ignore the money value depreciation, we find ROI simply, so that we can compare these two projects. But when you compare two projects with a different year, different duration, that is questionable ROI. This example, like we can understand. Suppose John invested $1,000 in sliced pizza in 2020 and sold the shares for the total $1,200 in 1 year later. Calculate the return on this investment. So we can find by dividing 1,200 minus 1,000 become $200 is a profit. Divided by investment $1,000 is become 20% return on investment. What is the duration? Is just 1 year. 1 year duration, he get 20% of return. Simple. Suppose John also invested $2,000 in big sales store in 2020 and sold the shares for the total 2,800 in 2023. Now we have 3 years duration. The ROI on investment is big sale would be like 40%. So when you calculate it become 40%. Now there's a big question like, are you going to choose the first one, the slice pizza or big sales store? So because this is very difficult to make decision because here is 1 year, within 1 year we are going to get 20% return. Here in 3 year time we are going to get 40% return. So it's questionable. So we cannot compare this kind of two project with a different duration of project. Okay, but it is a good indicator when we compare two projects with the same duration. Okay, return on investment examples. So ROI failed to reflect the time value of money. This is what I keep on saying in this from the first slides. So it doesn't care the time value of money. For instance, and it can be difficult to meaningfully compare ROI because some investment will take longer to generate profit. So than others. So some investment take 3 years to take profit, another investment take 5 years, 6 years. So when we have different duration, it's difficult to compare because when the duration is extended more than 5 years, then the time value of money become more important. Time value of money is important. I always say time value of money is important, very important. However, if the project is 1 or 2 years, a very minimum duration of project, time value of money is not a big deal. But if the project is more than 5 years or 10-year project, then the time value of money will play a major uh, role on decision making. In that case, This indicate ROI is not a good indicator. Thank you very much. That's all for today. Please subscribe this channel and share this channel to other your friends. Also get the spread this good purpose. So we are delivering very good videos in a very good standard. Okay, thank you very much. See you in next video.